Can someone tell me what this thing is? I don't know what this thing is exactly. Hello, full web heads. My name is Matt Parker, and welcome back to another video today. I'm freaking tired. And I'm holding this weird thing. What are you staring at?
I just looked.
I'll put you in my YouTube video and everyone will know who you are. Okay? Ugh. So apparently, this is an old camcorder thing or whatever. Thingamajig. And the only reason why I'm wearing my glasses is because I am blind, kinda. So I can barely see. But my vision is so much more clearer. Probably because it has to do with the fact of me sitting in front of screens. Possibly. Yeah. So apparently, this thing is named a flip video thingy, camcorder thingy, whatever. Thingamajig thingy. Look. This is how old it is. Look, I record my face. Hi, world. My face is on the screen. That's pretty much basically what I can do with this thing. What? So yeah, this is just like a random video today because I don't know what else to upload. That's how bored I am. Like, seriously, look, I could just... You didn't see anything. And you can also upload stuff on your computer. So I can share it. But this is a good concept, I guess. Well, anyways, webheads, if you'd like to do that like button, if you're on the subscribe button, now let's do webheads in the next video. Dripperooza. Crap, that didn't go in unison. But hey, let's watch SpongeBob as an outro. That's not what I was going for. But hey, let's all watch SpongeBob as an outro.
Yes.
Okay, Squidward, you can't be doing the freaking blender like that, man.